You may have seen some of these pedestrian-activated signals popping up around Massachusetts. These are called Pedestrian Hybrid Beacons, or PHBs. They are designed to provide safe crossing for pedestrians in high-traffic areas. Here are some simple steps to remember when encountering this signal. The Pedestrian Hybrid Beacon consists of 3 lights, a yellow light at the bottom and 2 red lights at the top. The signal will remain dark with no light showing until it's activated by a pedestrian. When the signal is dark, drivers can proceed through the crossing as usual. Pedestrians can activate the signal by pressing the crosswalk button. Once the signal is activated, drivers will see a flashing yellow light. Drivers can still proceed through the crossing, but should use caution as a pedestrian is waiting to cross. The signal then turns solid yellow, alerting drivers to prepare to stop. The yellow light is followed by solid red lights. Drivers in both directions must come to a complete stop, giving pedestrians the opportunity to cross. Pedestrians should only cross when the walk signal comes on. The signal then turns to flashing red. Drivers are still required to stop to allow pedestrians to finish crossing, but may proceed with caution once the crosswalk is clear. We all play an important part in keeping each other safe on the road. Thank you for being safe by staying informed, and remember to always scan the street for wheels and feet.